Okay, so example number 2, we have here 300 degrees centigrade and a given internal energy of 1525 kilojoules per kilogram. So, kilogram yan. Find the specific volume, specific internal energy, specific enthalpy, and specific entropy. So, pag ganito, we have a given property and a given pressure or temperature. Sa first step natin gagawin dyan is to identify the state nung ating given fluid. So to find out the state is, first, kunin natin yung temperature natin. So that is 300 degrees centigrade. Then hanapin natin siya sa steam table. So, finding 300 degrees centigrade, we have ito. So, nakita na natin yung value ni 300 degrees centigrade. So, meron tayong given na 1,525. So, to know what state is our fluid, compare natin siya sa makukuha nating value ng internal energy pertaining to saturation vapor and internal energy pertaining to saturation fluid. Kapag mas mataas siya sa UG, that means the property of our fluid is superheated. And if the value is lower than UG but higher than UF, we have a wet steam. So when they're equal, ibig sabihin they are in saturation. So first, hanapin natin yung value at UG. So UG is 2,563.0 kilojoules per kilogram. So that value is greater than our U now 1525. So therefore, kailangan nating hanapin yung value ni UF. So UF is 1,322.0, which is lower than 1,525. So mas mataas si 1,525 kay UF. So this is our UG, this is our UF, this is our U. So therefore, ang conclusion natin dito, we have wet steam. So since alam na natin yan, kapag wet steam, ibig sabihin meron tayong tinatawag na quality. So yung quality ng steam natin, that is the percentage of the amount of steam dun sa ating mixture. So finding the quality, so kailangan natin hanapin yung properties niya. So isa-isa natin yung properties from UG, UF, we have V, F, then V, G, UFG, HF, then HFG. HF, HF, GSF, SF, G. So dito pwede natin mahanap yung quality using these equations. So unahin natin hanapin yung quality natin. So finding our quality, we have a given na U which is U is equals to 1525 kilojoules per kilogram. So we have 1525 is equals to UF. So ang UF natin ay 1332 plus X times our UFG which is 1231. So we have our X, that is 0.1552. So knowing now our X or our quality, can now solve for our other values. So here are our computed values for H and S. Okay. So to find V, so if we have noticed, wala tayong given na VFG dito. So kailangan natin yung formula for VFG. Ang formula for VFG is simply VG minus VF. So yun yung ating gagamitin. So to find the value for V, kailangan lang natin, we have V is equals to VG plus X times VG minus VF. So that will be, VG is 21.67 plus X times VG natin na 21.67 minus VF na 1.4036. And our answer shall be multiplied by times 10 raised to negative 24.81 45 times 10 raised to negative 6.